Want to learn Chinese fast? 大家好, hello everyone, this is Fan Lao Shi. Today, I'm going to share to you some helpful tips that might help you learn Chinese faster. Number 1, master pinyin. As you know, pinyin is the pronunciation system of Chinese language. So it's composed of the pinyin initials, which are the consonants, and pinyin finals, which are the vowels. And it's also important that you know that Chinese language pronunciation has what we call the tones of Chinese. So if you master pinyin initials, pinyin finals, and the tones, then there's no doubt you will have a good foundation in your Chinese language learning. Number 2, make sure to learn the basic phrases, expressions, especially those that are used in a daily basis, like ni hao ma, xie xie, 再见. So these are common phrases that Chinese people use. So it's also important that you learn them as well at the beginning of your course. Number 3, use spaced repetition apps. Ano ba tong mga spaced repetition apps? Ito yung mga apps na pwede nyong gamitin kung saan pwede nyong balik-balikan or mag-practice kayo yun sa mga basic phrases na natutunan nyo. So, some of these apps are Anki, or you could also have Duolingo. Number 4, speak daily. Make sure that you have time to practice all the words and phrases that you previously learned. And it's also good that you have someone to practice, or if you can find a good lausher like me to practice your Chinese pronunciation, then it would be a great start. And lastly, number 5, you have to immerse yourself in the language. So paano yan? Should we go to China or saan kami pupunta? Okay, so paano kami may immerse sa language? There are actually a lot of ways that you can immerse a language without going to outside the country. For example, very popular ang Chinese drama. So you watch a lot of Chinese dramas, you listen to Chinese songs, and makinig ka sa mga podcast. These are very helpful for you to listen to how they pronounce their words naturally like a native speaker. And for me, very important na meron tayong portable, good quality na headphones. Kasi nga 'di ba, while you are riding the jeepney or kahit nasa library ka or kahit saan ka man kumakain ka ng lunch, pwede kang makinig ng mga Chinese drama or makinig ka ng mga podcast or pwede ka ring mag-scroll dito sa TikTok or sa YouTube and sa other platforms na kung saan merong mga tutorial ng pinyin initials, pinyin finals, and of course, watching a lot of C dramas. Okay? So, yun lang. 谢谢大家，再见。